Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're taking a closer look at Spicenet. It's a new project, pretty ambitious in the DeFi space.
Yeah, definitely one to watch. They're positioning themselves as a brokerage network for DeFi.
A broker's network. Okay, so what does that actually mean in practice?
Well, it means they're trying to tackle that big problem of everything being scattered across different chains. Their idea is like one single place to access the top DeFi spots, no matter the network.
Universal access, basically.
Pretty much. They want to be that front door for complex cross-chain stuff.
And it seems like some big players are buying into this vision already.
Oh, yeah. They've pulled in $3.4 million in early funding.
Wow, $3.4 million. From who?
Heavy hitters, Hack VC for one, and also Magnus Capital.
Hack VC and Magnus Capital. Okay, that's serious validation. So this isn't just, another quick airdrop play. There's substance here.
Right, and that's our mission today, really. We need to break down their confirmed testnet airdrop, how it works, the mechanics.
But more than just the how-to.
Exactly. More about the strategy behind it, how they're using this point system, these quests, to actually build their network from the ground up, and crucially, how you can, make the most of it.
And looking at the source material, the timing seems pretty good right now.
How so?
Well, it mentions the competition is, quote, very little at the moment. Apparently, getting somewhere between, say, 3,300 and 3,500 points could potentially land you in the top 10 on their leaderboard.
Top 10 with just 3,500 points.
Okay, that is interesting. Tells you it's still early days.
Exactly. Low barrier to entry, potentially high reward if you focus your effort effectively.
All right, so let's get into the weeds then. Accessing it's standard stuff, right? Log in, connect a wallet like MetaMask.
Yep, the usual. The source notes the referral code usually activates automatically, so that's straightforward. The real core is the quest system.
Okay, quests for points. And you mentioned focusing effort. Are some quests worth more?
Definitely. That's the key insight. The tasks further down their list tend to give you way more points.
All right, so don't just do the easy ones.
Well, do the easy ones too, but understand their value, like the daily check-in. It's literally 1 point.
1 point. Okay, so consistency matters, but it won't get you to 3,500 fast.
Not on its own, no. You need to hit the social engagement tasks, following on X, Discord stuff. Some of those follow tasks can give 50 points.
50 points just for a follow. That's quite a bit more.
It adds up. But then there are these more specific, slightly higher friction tasks.
Okay. Like what?
There's connecting Discord, naturally. But the crucial bit is you must join their server before you hit the claim button on the quest page.
Oh, right. Order of operations matters. Good tip.
Yeah, trips people up, apparently. Same logic for connecting LinkedIn if you use it. Then there's this slightly unusual one.
Go on.
You have to copy a specific symbol they provide on their site.
Okay.
Add that symbol to your actual X profile name, save the change on X, and then go back to their site to verify and claim the points.
Wait, add a symbol to my X name? That's kind of a hassle.
Exactly. It's a filter, isn't it? It weeds out the people who won't make that small extra effort. Pure Web3 onboarding, you could say.
Okay, makes sense. What else stands out? Any really big point earners?
Yes, the creative task. This is the one that likely separates the serious players.
What does it involve?
You need to create and publish a clip, like a short video, talking about Spicenet's future in DeFi.
Create a video. Okay, that's a step up.
Big step. You upload it to your X profile. You have to tag both of Spicenet's official profiles and then paste the link to your X post back on their quest page to claim.
Wow. Okay, so they're essentially asking users to generate marketing content for them.
Pretty much. Free marketing labor, direct from the community, but rewarded with potentially significant points. It generates real, verifiable buzz.
Which is vital for a new network needing trust in users, right?
Absolutely. Especially a brokerage network. Network effect is everything.
It shouldn't forget the referral system either, I assume. Extra points there.
Yeah, standard practice, but still relevant. If the top spots are potentially reachable with relatively few points right now, every referral boost helps.
Okay, so wrapping this up, the strategy seems clear. Focus on those higher friction, higher value tasks. The profile symbol thing, the video creation.
Those are the leverage points. They take more effort, sure, but that's where the big point jumps are, like likely pushing you up the leaderboard much faster than just doing dailies and basic follows.
Right. Maximize points. Aim for that top tier.
Especially while the competition is apparently low.
So here's a final thought then. Considering that $3.4 million investment from serious VCs,
Yeah.
how does making users, create actual video content and change their public social media profiles? How does that fundamentally shift the dynamic? between a potentially powerful new financial network and its first users.
It's interesting, isn't it? We're not just clicking buttons for tokens anymore.
No. It feels like we're becoming, I don't know, almost like early-stage compensated brand ambassadors, trading effort now for potential value later. Maybe that's the new model for bootstrapping DeFi communities. Something to think about.